It's in the call and intensity. Losing the toss could prove costly. This could make for a really interesting match. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud cheer. The bowler is bowling from his favorite. The captain has been good with his replacements. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. The bowler is... And he helps himself to a six. That's gone high in the air. And that's going to clear the boundary for six. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. Oh, that's huge. It disappeared way into the stand. Bowling from his favorite end. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. The field has been opened, and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. They would definitely have a score in their minds. umpire thinks otherwise. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That is fixed. That is just magnificent batting. That fixed. He picked up the length very early. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful thing. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. That into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. Straight up in the air, and that's the save. They would definitely have a score in their minds. That is huge appeal. The bowler looks confident and up goes the finger. The wicket has played out very well here with a little bit of help for the bowlers initially. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Trying to up the run rate here. A very loose shot in the end. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Last ball of the innings coming up.